Hey guys, welcome back to So Not Super Mom. I'm so glad that you guys came back to my channel to see another cleaning video. But this cleaning video is extra special because it is a collab video with my girl Courtney and Amari. So after you check out this video, definitely head over to her channel. Tell her I sent you. You will love her channel. She has cleaning videos, hauls, and mom life.
Hey you guys, my name is Courtney from Courtney and Amari, and today I'm collaborating with So Not Super Mom. I'll be happy if you guys came over to my channel after watching her video to watch my cleaning video as well. Bye.
Her channel will be linked down below. I also do mommy videos, hauls, beauty videos, and all the above. So I am so glad that you guys have stopped by. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I have new videos. Me and Pierre want new family members, so we want you to join our family. So stay tuned and keep on watching.
We're good, we never left the ground, but we need to take some weight off our shoulders. The fight isn't over. Can you let me be tonight? I will need some time alone, not forever, but when we're together, it feels like my spark's been left in the dark sometimes. Cause when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always? Stay up all night. We finally took some weight off our shoulders, so this fight is over. Can you stay with me tonight? I don't wanna be alone, and I need you here if you want to. I know my spark's been left in the dark sometimes, but when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always?
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated like data.